Louise, 2 to 3 years from now, I'm a foreign service officer, out in one of these consulates. I'm dealing with visas. I'm dealing with, whatever it is. You all have been in the process of flipping around how you deliver capabilities, right? You've got sort of that underway. You just laid out an architecture which is significant. How far along do you think you'll be in that type of capability? And what's that going to look like to me as the foreign service officer out there? What can I expect?
Yeah, I mean, I think if we're talking about just like a vision of where I expect us to be in 2 to 5 years, right?
Right.
I mean, the goal is for us to have, those seamless, secure, transparent digital services to our public customers. But in addition to that, I want to be able to provide capability from any device, anywhere, at any time to our end users that are worldwide, right, at those locations around the globe. That's the goal. As far as how far I think we'll be in the next 2 to 5 years, I think we'll make some really good progress. But it's going to take us some time because there is a lot of things that we're going to have to kind of work through, as I mentioned, the technical debt. But I think I'm very confident on our ability to kind of to get there on those different pieces. And I think by the end of 5 years, we'll be well on our way.
You had an enormous technical debt out there that you've identified. You've also been able to focus on a new way of modernizing your environments, right? With the success of OPR. I would imagine you'll keep doing that sort of shampoo, rinse, and repeat for
Yes.
visas and some of these other capabilities, sort of that customer experience enhancement out into the public square.
Correct. That's absolutely correct. And the thing is that as we continue to do so, right, we're continuing to do that on the passport front. We've been working again on our other portfolios as well. Of course, with the OPR success, we're continuing to iterate and we're continuing to actually deploy out capabilities. I mentioned the iterative approach. The front end was the first piece. The next piece is going to be what we call, the hub of where those adjudicators work, which is where they're actually adjudicating those passports. That's the next phase of where we're kind of focusing on the actual modernization journey that for us to get to that vision.